Are you a B2B founder, VP of marketing, or VP of sales struggling with long sales cycles? Imagine cutting that time by 37%, leveraging AI and a simple yet powerful wheel and spoke framework. I did it, and today I'm going to show you how. Hey, I'm Tony Koenig, a go-to-market engineer, owner of Koenig Digital and the Scaling Founder brand, with years of experience helping B2B companies scale and faster with AI. My expertise lies in building CRM-centric systems that integrate seamlessly with tech stacks and AI. This approach has not only accelerated sales cycles, but also increased buy-in from sales teams. Very important. And I'm here to share how you can do the same. But before we go, here's a disclaimer. If you don't address inefficiencies in your sales cycle, you risk losing deals, wasting resources, and falling behind your competition. With the right framework, however, you can turn things around and drive predictable sales growth. So here are 5 points to discuss and consider with your team. One is, what is the wheel and spoke framework? Think of the CRM as the hub of the wheel center where all customer data resides. The spokes are the tools that plug into this wheel or into this hub, like high intent leads, marketing automation, AI analytics, and prospecting tools, all working together seamlessly. Imagine a wheel without spokes. It wobbles and collapses, but when every spoke is strong, the wheel runs smoothly. The second point, why CRM is the foundation. A CRM isn't just a database. It is the central nervous system of your sales process. By making it the foundation, you ensure data flows smoothly, put in tools, eliminating redundancy. In my experience, teams often overcomplicate their tech stack, which cause confusion. Simplifying with a CRM-centric approach was a game changer. The third point, AI for scalability. AI tools can analyze CRM data in real time, predict outcomes, prioritize leads, and even engage leads and book appointments, which drastically cut down wasted time. For instance, we used AI to identify warm leads, reducing the time spent chasing cold ones and increasing close rates. Big one. The fourth point, team buy-in. Now, this is a massive one because in all of these tools mean nothing unless you use it or your team use them. It is massive. It's like I cannot accentuate this more. A framework is only as good as its adoption. By centralizing the CRM and making tools intuitive, we made it easy for sales teams to see the value. If this works, sales teams cut time spent on admin by 15 hours a week on average. Imagine if they could be spending that time on closing deals rather, and closing good deals because your CRM and your AI has done its work and it's given you top quality buyer-ready leads. I mean, one of our teams went from grudgingly using the CRM to fully relying on it because they could instantly see how it made their lives easier. So, if this strategy resonates with you and you're ready to cut your sales cycles, book a call with me, link in the description below. Let's build your growth framework together. And yes, the last point, the fifth point, results you can expect. By implementing the wheel and spoke framework, you can expect faster decision making, better alignment between teams, and a significant reduction in sales time or your sales cycle time. Just like this 37% improvement we achieved and we mentioned earlier. Okay, so if you found value in this video, hit the like and subscribe, and please share it with your team. And if you're ready to take the next step, book a call with me today. Let's scale your business with AI as a proven framework. Keep on scaling, guys.